treat. C is for carrot, crunchy and fun. Bunny loves it one by one. D is for deer, so quick and spry, leaping high beneath the sky. E is for eggplant, purple and round, grows in the garden, close to the ground. F is for farmer, working the land, planting seeds with a steady hand. G is for galaxy, star shine bright, twinkling, sparkling every night. H is for hot, like the summer sun, time for ice cream, oh what fun! I is for ice, so chilly and cool, slipping and sliding in winter's rule. J is for jeep, driving so fast through muddy roads, it's such a blast. K is for kangaroo, jumping so high, bouncing around with a wink in its eye. L is for lock, click and spin, keeping the treasure safe within. M is for map, showing the way, helping explorers day by day. N is for necklace, shiny and bright, sparkles and twinkles in the light. O is for octopus, swimming with grace, big wiggly arms all over the place. P is for park, where we run and play, swings and slides make a perfect day. Q is for queue, standing in line, waiting our turn, it's just fine. R is for red, like an apple so sweet, juicy and crisp, it's such a treat. S is for sand, soft under feet, building castles is oh so neat. T is for tomato, juicy and red, tossed in a salad or spread on bread. U is for under, hiding so low, peek-a-boo, where did you go? V is for valley, wide and green, a beautiful place like a dream unseen. W is for window, open up wide, feel the fresh breeze come inside. X is for xylophone, ringing so bright, ting, 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 it sounds just right. Y is for yarn, soft and fun, knit a scarf for everyone. Z is for zoo, where animals stay, lions and tigers roar and play.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.